that's done. You have your new Minecraft style title text. Hey then, welcome back to 3D Modeling. Today we were originally going to be creating particle emitters using the software Snowstorm, but because most game engines already have a built-in particle system, there's no point really for that tutorial. Instead, we're going to be creating Minecraft style titles. So here you can see some of the ones I've made already. Now to start, go to File and look for Plugins. Next, you're going to want to find Minecraft Title Generator. It should be in the Available section, and if you can't find it, just search it. Once you've found it, click Install. You may need to restart Blockbench a few times in order for it to show up on the side menu. But once it works, you should be able to see it there. You should be able to see it as Minecraft Title. If you can't, just restart again. Now, click Minecraft Title, and you can see some of this information here. I'm just going to tell you about it later, so you don't have to read too much about it. Now click Create New Minecraft Title, and just write whatever you want the main text to be. This will replace the Minecraft text. Once you've chosen what you want to write, you also click the eye icon on the side to see which characters are available. You can also see that if you do an uppercase A, you'll get the creeper face. Next, you'll choose your fonts. There are a lot of options here. It's like the Minecraft Dungeon style, the Minecraft Live style, but I'm just going to go with Minecraft 10, which is the regular Minecraft logo. Next, for a text type, choose top for it to be like the main Minecraft text, and leave the text row at 0. We'll talk about that later. Next, for texture, just choose whatever you want, just depending on what theme or color you're looking for. I'm going to go with oxidized color, and go to next. You can add an overlay, which kind of adds this like glowing effect to the side, and then go to next. You can see some of the filters and color things you can adjust. That's just for if you want to change the color and other things. Next, you have the settings that you can adjust the space between characters, space between rows, as well as the size of the characters. But just don't worry about that too much because it should already be pre-configured to whatever you're looking for. Once you've done that, you should be able to see it in the editor. Now, it looks like a regular blocky text. You don't really get that Minecraft logo style. But once you go to render and press this button over here, it gets the angle of the Minecraft title and it will look normal. You can still continue to move it if you want that type of logo, but I'm just going to click the button, and for settings you just want to press 2K and then press the camera button. Now you can see all the different shapes you can do. Like a square, you can have a custom resolution, or you can format to be the Minecraft texture style. This can work within a texture pack. It also works for 1.19 and below, as well as Mojang Studios logo. Now we're going to go back into edit because I want to change a few more things. Like what if the D was a different color? We can do that. So just leave it settings as normal, but change the texture. Once you've chosen what you want, press finish, and it should replace the existing text. Now delete the text you don't want to replace, and you should be left with whatever you were going for at the beginning. Now you can repeat this for whatever other words or characters you want to replace. So now you can see the 3D modeling, each word is a different color. Now we're going to add the bottom text, which is like the update text for like trails and tales and other things. Just write whatever you want. I'm just going to write YouTube. Now for texture, we're going to try a gradient this time. Like, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to make a gradient to match the YouTube logo. You also add extra colors if you check those checkboxes on the side. Once again, you can choose an overlay, and then once you're done, press finish. Now it should show up. Next, I'm going to show you the text rows feature. So just add another text title thing, and this time for a text row, set to 1, and it'll appear below this bottom text. Just set the text for whatever you want. I'm just going to set to like. You can choose the texture and color again. And once you're done, press finish. Now it should show up below the YouTube text. Finally, we're going to try this for the top text. So just change that to top. And for text row this time, 1 will mean it shows up above the title text instead of below. Just choose whatever you want and press finish, and now it should work. Next, we're going to try the small text that shows up as like Java Edition or Bedrock Edition. So now just write whatever you want. I'm going to write subscribe for a cookie, which is kind of the thing that's on like our YouTube banner. Next, click small, and we're going to reset the text row to 0 so that it doesn't show up too low. And now choose whatever font you want. Now that's done. You have your new Minecraft style title text. Use this however you want, whether it's like an SMP or something else. And now you can either copy the render or save it, and even use it in other things. But yeah, that's about it for this video. Now this will be our last Blockbench tutorial, unfortunately. However, we do have some other tutorials that are going to be coming out soon. Like we have the Tinkercad ones that we're still waiting for, as well as the Blender ones. So watch out for those, and we'll see you next time.